Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out All Trail, a must-have app for finding, hiking and biking trails, tracking your outdoor activities and exploring nature safely. So let's dive in. All Trails is a trail discovery and GPS tracking app with over 400,000 curated hiking, biking and running trails worldwide. It helps you explore confidently whether you are a beginner or seasoned trekker. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and install your app. If you haven't, go to your App Store and search All Trails on your search bar, and once the icon pops up, tap on your All Trails and install your app. So once installed, open up your app and create a free account and use the search or map to find trails near you. You can filter by difficulty, length, elevation, dog friendliness or trail type. Then you can select a trail and tap navigate to follow the route in real time using GPS. It works even offline if you downloaded the trail map. You can also record your hike, run or ride by tapping record. All Trails logs your route, distance, time, elevation and lets you save or share it later. With All Trails, you get offline maps too, wrong turn alerts, 3D trail previews and no ads. It is great for serious explorers or remote trail use. So add trails to a custom list, check user reviews and review elevation charts or difficulty notes. Perfect for planning your next hike or weekend trip. And that is all about All Trails. I hope you guys like this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.